Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to add your Capital One card, that could be credit card, debit card, you want to add to your Apple Pay, then this video is for you. If you want to use your Capital One card on your Apple Pay, then you have to first add your Capital One card to your Apple Wallet. First, open your Apple Wallet application on your iOS device. Then you will find the plus icon at the top right corner. Then you will find Add to Wallet. Now, here you will find debit or credit card. You just need to simply tap on it, and here you will find this screen and a continue button at the bottom. You can just simply tap on continue, and it will ask you for to hover your phone over the card, the Capital One card, to scan that card. So you can just scan that card, or you can manually enter the credentials or details like the card holder name, the card number, the expiration date, the CVV number, and the billing address also. Then after you add the details of your Capital One credit card or debit card, then it will immediately or easily add your Capital One credit or debit card to your Apple Wallet. Then you can easily use that card to off on your Apple Pay. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.